Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Google account, then open Google on desktop or the app on your phone. Once signed in, go directly to Personal Info. This keeps changes tied to your profile. You want to find the section labeled Language and Input or Accessibility. Different interfaces place font settings in either. Start here because these are the controls that let Google reflect a new font across services where supported. And this prevents mismatched display between devices once you move to the next steps. Now you change the font itself. Open display or text size and font in settings. You will see available fonts and a live preview. Choose one and tweak size if needed. Make sure to apply or save changes. Some Google apps ask you to confirm, while others auto-apply. If you want the change on other devices, use Sync, sign into the same Google account, and enable Theme or Accessibility Sync. Doing so ensures what you selected appears consistently in Gmail, Drive, and other linked apps. Finish by checking key Google services. Open Gmail, Docs, and Drive to confirm the font applied. If it doesn't show up, close and restart the apps or browser. Sometimes a quick restart forces the new settings to load. If problems persist, clear the app or browser cache and re-sign into your account to refresh synced preferences. As a last resort, you can use a browser extension to override page fonts, but be careful. Extensions can conflict with native settings and cause inconsistent appearances.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.